In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on the Alibaba app using your PC. Whether you're purchasing materials for a business or simply exploring international products, setting the currency to one that you're familiar with can make the shopping experience smoother and more understandable. So, let's dive right into the process. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Alibaba.com. This is the homepage of the online marketplace where you can access a vast array of products from suppliers all over the world. Once you're here, you might notice numerous options and features right on the page that can seem overwhelming at first glance. But don't worry, we're here to keep it simple. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Alibaba account. Look for the sign in option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and sign in securely. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one so you can make use of all Alibaba's features, including setting your preferred currency. Now, upon signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen again. You should see a globe-like icon next to the Deliver To section. This icon is your gateway to changing the language and currency settings. Click on this globe icon and a small menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see options for both language and currency. The language section allows you to choose your preferred language to facilitate a better shopping experience. Right now, though, we are focusing on currency, so look closely to find the currency option. You'll notice a small downward arrow next to the current currency displayed. Click on this arrow and you'll see a list of different currency options. Take a moment to scroll through the list to find the currency that best suits your needs. Whether you need US dollars, euros, yen, or any other available currency, select the one you prefer by simply clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, there's one final step to ensure your changes are saved. At the bottom of this menu, look for a button labeled Save. Click on Save to apply your new currency settings. It's as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you have now successfully changed the currency on the Alibaba app from your PC. This adjustment should make browsing and purchasing on Alibaba more intuitive and tailored to your financial preferences. Remember, these settings can be changed anytime by following the same steps if your needs or preferences change in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on Alibaba.